The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain the Voluntary Acknowledgement of Paternity in Illinois and how to establish paternity by agreement of the parties. So first of all, what is a Voluntary Acknowledgement of Paternity? It's known as a VAP, and that's how I'll refer to it for the rest of this video. When unmarried individuals have a child in Illinois, the easiest way to add the father to the birth certificate is to have both parents sign a VAP, which is a form provided by the hospital shortly after birth. Executing a VAP causes the father to be added to the birth certificate. It also puts the father or the signatory to the VAP on the hook for child support to financially support the child. However, it doesn't give the person who signs the VAP any parenting rights. That can be established later on in a court proceeding to allocate parenting time and responsibility. So just because you have somebody sign a VAP as the biological father, they become financially obligated to the child, but they don't have any right to access the child until parenting rights are later established. So let's talk about now if a father signs the VAP, can the VAP be rescinded, and how does that work? So there's two basic deadlines. One is 60 days from the signing of the VAP, and the other is 2 years from the signing of the VAP. The 60-day deadline, it's easy to rescind the VAP. Either party can rescind the VAP within 60 days without a problem. Once that 60 days has passed, then within 2 years of the signing of the VAP, the parties can basically rescind the VAP by one of them filing a petition to establish the non-existence of a father-child relationship. And the burden is on the person filing that petition to show that the person who signed the VAP is not actually the biological father, one, and two, that the VAP was signed by reason of fraud, duress, or a material mistake of fact. Both of these things have to be proven by clear and convincing evidence. And again, there's a 2-year deadline to rescind the VAP by a petition to establish the non-existence of a father-child relationship. So now let's talk about a different situation. What if the biological father didn't sign the VAP shortly after birth? How do you establish paternity? Well, this is another petition that you file with the court, and this is a petition to establish a father-child relationship. So it's a basically standard paternity suit. And if the parties are in agreement, this is pretty straightforward. The court will order a DNA test. There might be a hearing, and at the conclusion of the hearing, if the DNA test results bear out that the person who claims to be the father is in fact the father, then the court will issue an order establishing paternity. This order can then be sent into the Illinois Department of Public Health along with a certified copy. It's a certified copy of the order that gets sent in along with an affidavit and certificate of correction request form. So you submit those documents to the Illinois Department of Public Health, and once that's done, the father that's listed on the paternity order can be named on the birth certificate as the father. So we have basically three scenarios here. We have a scenario where at the outset, the biological father signs the voluntary acknowledgement of paternity and gets added to the birth certificate immediately, and we move on. The second scenario is when that's done and one of the parties needs to rescind it, and then you've got 60 days to either rescind it or 2 years to file a suit to establish the non-existence of a father-child relationship. The third scenario is when the father does not sign a VAP shortly after birth, and in that scenario, you're filing a petition to establish the existence of a father-child relationship, and then filing a certificate of a correction request form. I keep looking at my notes for that topic with the Illinois Department of Public Health, along with the paternity order to later establish paternity by agreement. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube channel. If you'd like to subscribe, you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts. You can subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and that helps us too. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.